Well, hello, AVID. Looking forward to another week with you. Now, this week we have a reflection from our SMART goals from last week, our usual tutorial happening on the 17th that will be synchronous and not live. So we'll all be on our computers at the same time, but there won't be a Google Meet. There's going to be the note check, the agenda check, but then I wanted to improve and continue working on note-taking and note-taking skills and giving you guys other options to explore and improve your note-taking abilities. And so to do that, I have what's labeled as a quiz here. And really the only reason why there is a quiz is because I just want to have a survey to know what is one of the skills, one of the strategies and tips that you're going to try to work on this week. So if you can, do this one first. It's not going to take very long. There is some notes that are there, some lists that I pulled from some websites that I linked so you can go and look at the original websites as well. But I really am curious about what's one thing you can do to make your note-taking better. My personal opinion and my suggestion for most of you is to write notes with the intention of leaving space. A lot of you write notes as your teacher was writing notes, which doesn't leave space since your teacher isn't going to go back and edit their notes. So my suggestion to you is leave some space in your notes so when you go back to edit, you have the room to write the comments that you need, write the questions that you need. And if you end up not using that space, that's okay. There's no harm lost. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to working with you guys this week. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on Thursday and hope you have a great week.